Hello, welcome to Cell Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple strokes in Photoshop. For example, this picture here, I'm going to add multiple strokes in this picture here. The next one, I'm also going to add multiple strokes in this text here so that I have multiple strokes. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you find value in my videos, you can give it a thumbs up. Let's begin. Now we are going to add stroke in these words here, and also we are going to add stroke around this guy here. So what you're going to do first, you're going to maybe close this one so that I can show you where to start. So the first thing you're going to do, I'm just going to come here, file, then new, then I'll just choose this one here, these dimensions here, and also I'll make sure everything in the background is white, and also this place here just be the same. Then I just put create. Then the next thing, I already copied this text here. I just come copy. I already written them here, so I just come and select, press Ctrl A, then copy. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to the layers here. I'm going to click here to add a new layer. Then I'm going to come to T here so that I can add text. Then I'll just drag it over here. Then it will give me a place for the text, but I'll just right click and paste over it, and it will just be there. Then I'll just take like so. Maybe I'll come and make it bigger. We make sure here show transformation controls, show transform control is there so that I can just expand like so. And also for you to expand proportionally, you have to click this one to expand proportionally from end. Then I just tick. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here, written FX. Then I'll click it. Then I'll choose stroke. Then it will give me this dialog box. You see the strokes, these are the strokes that I've used before, but if you don't have, you can always click this plus and it will add another stroke. Now when I've come to stroke here, I'll just click the stroke. The stroke will give me options here. You see the color of the stroke is white, but also the background is white, which means it's not visible. So what will I do? I'll click here to change the background color. Maybe I choose red. Then I just say okay. If you look here, it says red. Now if I want to change the amount or the size of the stroke, I'll always come and scroll here. You can always play around with this, and you see the stroke will change. But remember, we want to put double strokes. We want to insert double strokes. Maybe if I want to change the color again, maybe I don't want that. Maybe I want yellow. You see, maybe I want blue. You see, maybe I want purple. You can always change there. Let's leave it at blue. Then if you want to put another stroke, you just click this plus and it will add you another stroke. But now that the second stroke here, this one is ticked because this one is applied. Now the second stroke here, this is the second stroke. I'm going to also change the color. Maybe now make it black. So I just come and click somewhere here. Then I just put it. Then I maybe increase the size. The stroke is inside. Let's put it outside. You see. So you make sure if you want it the strokes to be outside, you make sure you put outside. If you want it to be inside, like this one here, inside, you make sure you put it. So you make sure you watch out for this. Now you can see I have another stroke. Let me put another stroke. So I'll just add this one and put another stroke. Maybe now this time I choose yellow. So I'll just press OK. But I'll make sure it is outside, and then I'll increase the size. See the yellow? So that's how to put a double stroke on a text. Then I just press OK. So guys, that's how to put a double stroke on a text. Then the next object, the picture here, we're going to just select it to remove the background first. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here, right click, and I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to drag it so that it can remove the background of this guy. Then you make sure the background is moved. So let me press Control plus so that you're able to see the parts that are not captured well. I'll come here again and choose quick selection tool. Then I'll just drag this one here so that the legs here are well captured like so. So I'll make sure also other parts like this one here. Don't I think this part is not visible enough. There's this sweater here that is which reaches here. There's this pullover that is also here, so you need to also cover that. Then I just press select and mask. Then of course this will help to remove the background. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure here is ticked, and also I play around with the feather, and I'll just say okay. Then the background will be removed, but there's this part under the leg here that needs to be removed, so I'll just come to the eraser tool here and rub this part, and also rub this part here using the eraser tool. You make sure this one is selected, you make sure this one is highlighted or selected the mask. Then I'll just zoom out by pressing Ctrl minus in the keyboard. Then I'll just right click this one and apply layer mask. Now the next thing I'm going to do, when this one is selected, I'll come to the same FX, then I'll come to strokes. Then there we are. The first stroke is blue, so we'll make sure it is outside so that it's visible. It's outside, you can see there. Then I'll go to the next stroke. It will just use the same strokes that you use for the text because it's already captured. Then if I select that one, and also you see now it's becoming black like so. If I choose the third stroke, which is yellow, then I also do the same. Now you can see the guy has 3 strokes. That's how to insert multiple strokes. Then I'll just say okay. That's it. Now if you find value in my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day, have a nice time. Till next time, watch the next video.